The whitelist is opened on the Vlaunch platform for the next free NFT called Honeyshot. Stick till the end to see the step-by-step tutorial in how you can claim your spot for the next free airdrop. Thank you very much, and let's go into it right now. The first step is to go to the official Vlaunch website. Here you can see the Vlaunch website. If you are still not sure which website it is. Next to that, your second step is to connect your Vlaunch, the Vlaunch.com website, with your metamask wallet. Very important is to make sure, guys, that you have staked some of the Vpads, because in order to get a free IDO or NFT allocation, you will need to have staked some of your Vpads. You can do that very simply just by here. You go with your mouse to staking, you click on staking, and here, guys, you will see how you can actually stake, for how long you can stake. You can see how much IPI, yearly return on investment, you will get. Next to your free IDO or NFT allocations, you of course have also an earning because you are staking your Vpads. Here you can choose from between 2 weeks all up to 5 years. It's very important to take notice from your bonus staking power, because if you stake for 5 years, your bonus staking power is all up to 650%. What means that you will get more chances in earning free NFT allocations or free IDO allocations, because it works on a lottery system, and it's very important to stake as much as you can to have more chances to win these allocations. You can do that simply by going to the staking amounts. Here you just put it on, and here you can actually choose for how long you want to stake. Take notice that if you will unstake earlier than your the time that you have chosen, there is a penalty that can go all the way up to 75%. And by time, this actually gets each time less and less. But now that you have staked, the next step is just to scroll down on the Vlaunch platform. Here, by upcoming NFT projects, you will see Honeyshot's NFT. What you do is very easy. You just click here on View Project, one single click, and right now you are in the new window where you will be able to see how much time is still left. So that will be on this side. So as you can see, while I'm making this video, there is still 12 hours and 25 minutes left in order to whitelist for this free NFT allocation. What you will need to do is to scroll down, and here by whitelist, very important, by whitelist, you will actually see this text upcoming. The project is now in whitelist stage. Users with staked Vpad can now sign up to participate in the upcoming lottery and sale. Join the whitelist now. The only thing you need to do is here, you will click by joining the whitelist and clicking this button, you accept our TOS and PP, the terms and conditions, and confirm that you are not the following. Read more. We will not going further in that. The only thing you need to do is click that here, and right now you will be able to join the whitelist now. So I will do it here right now, one click, and right now your metamask wallet will be opened. You will get the next notification So here you will see the message, please sign this message to verify your identity. You click on the blue button, sign, and right now guys, felicitations, Whitelist successfully joined, and here you can see you've signed up successfully for this whitelist. So as you can see, the steps are very easy. Thank you very much to watch my video till the end. Make sure to not waste any time, because as you can see, while I'm making this video, there are only few hours left. So make sure to take advantage right now, so you are also one of the lucky persons that could get one of these unique Honey Shots NFTs. Thank you very much to watch my video. If you have any questions at all, leave it here in the comments. Also, I appreciate every single comment, every single like, and every single share to spread this message to as much as potential new crypto investors are willing to actually earn free NFT allocations as well free IDO allocations. Thank you very much to watch my video till the end, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.